All right, so today we're going to have a look at a Deltronic model DH216. This is a benchtop comparator, 16-inch screen. So this one currently comes with a 10x lens, and the power is just regular house current. So internally there's a couple of fans to keep the lamp house cool, because you've got a couple of hot bulbs in here, 24-volt projection bulb and a 24-volt surface illumination bulb. You also got the Deltronic digital readout. This is made by them, or they have it made for them to do certain geometric functions. This machine currently does not have edge detection, although I'm not sure if it could be added later on. But it's basically the DRO. Up here you have a readout for your minutes and seconds, your degrees on your protractor ring, and of course the clips here to secure overlays. I'm going to turn it on in a little while, but right at the moment it's just going to be so bright it's going to wash out the picture. So we have a little table mounted vise on here that you could rotate around. You've got these things that come out here. These are your flexible light source for your surface illumination. They're fiber optic. There's a light bulb down here, and the light travels through the fiber optic cables and then back into the lens and through a series of mirrors, which actually gives you a look at the surface or texture of the part you're looking at. So you have that, and you also have the profile of it, like a silhouette, what you would use to, along with the DRO, to measure your parts. Well, you can move your part in and out with this table slide here. When it's clamped or unclamped, you can move it rapidly, and then when you lock it in, you move it with your hand wheel. Over here is your focus, in and out for your focus, and then down here is your up and down. So we'll turn on the profile, and you see I have this little Deltronic card in here, and I bring it back a little bit until I see everything come into focus, and you can just pick out something that you wanted to measure by setting this here to 0 and then going across the part and finding out that that was 49, almost 50 thousandths, that little slot in there. So you got a bunch of things to measure. This is what they use, I guess, to test it, calibrate it. There is a calibration sticker on here. It's in the photos. I don't offhand know what the dates were. It's a very clean, well taken care of machine. It was probably in an inspection room, not out on the floor next to a grinder or whatever. That's about all I can say. It does have a option here where you have a swivel on the table. By loosening a clamp down here, you have a certain amount of degrees, 15 degrees minus, 15 degrees plus, possibly more. Again, that'll be listed in the quotation. Surface illumination lights are here, but you kind of need something on there that you can see the surface. I always resort to my bullet. Put the bullet on there. And we usually have to bring these in fairly close to start to get a look at the surface of this. Now, this is a cast bullet, so I can see certain things in there from the casting and from the mold, and with this you could measure all kinds of different things. The grease grooves in there, the diameter, there's just a bunch of stuff. But that's your surface illumination. Really just a tool for inspection, just to look at it. Has nothing to do with measuring the part, only just a visual look at your surface, the texture, or whatever. So that's the Deltronic DH216 benchtop optical comparator. We have it here at Machinery Values. Has a nice stand with it, solid stand, with a drawer here to keep some stuff in. You do have a operator's manual for the comparator. And this has wheels that can roll around, so it's all in all, it's a pretty nice package. Thank you very much.